Hi, and welcome to the WaytogoRI tutorial for using the Individual Learning Plan, or ILP. Your ILP provides you with a list of components that you need to complete before graduation. Over the next few minutes, I'll show you how you can take advantage of your ILP to effectively plan for high school, college, and beyond, while simultaneously meeting all of your Rhode Island graduation requirements. But first things first. On your initial visit to WaytogoRI, you should always start by taking a few of the assessments, like the Interest Profiler. These are found on the Learn About Yourself section beneath Career Planning. Your assessment results will provide you with a solid foundation by giving you an idea of where your interests are and your values and your skills, so that you can pursue careers that not only interest you but also give you a chance to shine. Once you're done, you can then go to the Explore Careers section and import your assessment results into the Career Finder. You can also select some of your own desired search criteria if you want. This will allow you to easily narrow down your search to a couple dozen careers that best suit your preferences. If it helps, you can even compare career profiles side by side using the Compare Careers tool, and then save a couple of your favorites to your portfolio. Okay, now once you have a career goal in mind, you can really get started. So let's return to your ILP, which is found in your portfolio. Now you'll see that your ILP is divided into the following sections: Academic Career, Personal Social, High School Transition Planning, After High School Transition Planning, and Family Engagement. So let's start from the top with Academic. You're going to want to have a plan of study that reflects your career goal. So when you choose to create a course plan, step 1 will require you to select the career cluster that you're interested in. A career cluster is just another way of saying a career area. Each of the 16 clusters is a group of careers that require similar knowledge and skills. So all you want to do is select the cluster that your dream career fits into. From there, choose which career pathway you'd like to base your plan on. Career pathways are like career clusters, only more focused and specific. Click Learn More to find out about a particular pathway, and then once you've made a decision, click on Use this career pathway to build your plan. Step 2 requires you to choose your graduation requirements. If you want to learn more about Rhode Island's graduation requirements, click See Details for info. This will tell you the number of course credits you'll require in order to graduate. When you're ready, click Continue. Step 3 allows you to edit your plan of study. Here you'll need to enter which courses you've already taken. To do this, just click on the relevant class beneath each grade. For example, click on 9th grade English and you'll see that you're taken to a new page. Beneath Status, choose whether you are planning to take this course, if you are currently enrolled in it, or if you have completed it. When you've completed a course, you'll also have the option to include the grade you received. If there are other courses you have taken which are not included in your plan of study, you can add them as well by either typing them in or selecting the course name from the pull-down menu and then entering the number of credits received, the status, and if you want, your grade. Once you've edited or added your course information, click Save to be taken back to your course plan. As you can see, course cells will turn light indicating that they have been updated. Then this last column on your course plan is what makes it easy for you to ensure that you're meeting Rhode Island graduation requirements. Here you'll find a list of your total credits for each subject and the number of credits Rhode Island requires for you to graduate. If you follow your course plan as outlined and pass all your classes, then you've got nothing to worry about. Alright, so let's take a quick look at some other things you must complete in your ILP. As you'll see, there are a variety of components you'll need to fill out on your journey through high school, such as early college access programs, enrichment courses and workshops, support for academic goals, community service and learning, planning for your goals, your PSAT, SAT, and ACT scores, and finally, an annual reflection. When the time comes to fill in any of these categories, the process is pretty simple. Just click on the link and enter the required info, and then follow the prompts to either write about your experience or provide information using the drop-down menus. Now, say you want to provide additional proof of something. For example, say you were awarded a certificate for your participation in a workshop. Well, if you scroll to the top, you'll find a little box called My Evidence Documents. This allows you to upload anything you want to attach as proof to your ILP. Now let's go back down and take a look at the Career section. Here you'll find any work you did in the Career Planning section, such as your Interest Profiler results and any plans you built using the Career Plan Builder. If you have any work or job shadowing experience that you'd like to include, you can record that in this section as well. Next is the Personal Social section. You'll find that the information in This Is Me area is automatically imported when you create your WaytogoRI account. As for the rest of these sections, they can be filled out exactly the same way I just demonstrated in the academic area. So say you choose to fill out the self-knowledge component. You see that you can just select which qualities you already possess which ones you need to improve, and then type in a little extra info about yourself in the text boxes below. You can then do the same for your extracurricular activities: awards, distinctions, honors, leadership experiences, physical health activities, and self-advocacy strategies. Don't forget, if you've got proof, like an award or something, then just scan it in and upload it to your evidence documents. Alright, next we have the high school transitions planning. If you're in middle school, then here is where you can enter some information about how you plan to make a successful transition to high school. You can also select a career cluster that you'd like to focus on in high school. Typically, you should choose the same cluster and pathway that you've selected for your plan of study. Next is the after high school transition plan. This section is for you high school students out there. Here you can write about what your plan is after high school. Will you be going to a four-year college or joining the military? Does your plan put you on the right track for achieving your career goals? And are there people in your life who can help you with this plan? You can also identify the colleges you intend to register with. Okay, finally we have family engagement. In this section you can discuss your portfolio work and the comments you've received from others. You can write about your feelings and what you feel is working out or not. So there you have it. That's your ILP. To take the next steps to achieve your career goals, I recommend you also check out the following WaytogoRI tutorials: career assessments, searching for careers, and searching for colleges.